Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna to show you how to make a space shooter earning game in GDevelop. Friends, GDevelop software is a free. Here you can make lots of 2D game design. You can see here I made this infinite alien space shooter game on GDevelop software. In today's video I'm gonna to show you how to make an infinite alien space shooter earning game. Okay, so watch this full video. Okay, so in first I request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. Open your GDevelop software. Friends, I will teach you everything. Please watch this full video carefully. If you are a beginner, then also watch this video, because I am going to teach you from beginners to advanced. Click on the create a new project, and here I am going to select my game path. Then click on empty game, and now click on game setting, properties, and type here your game name, space shooter, and change this package name. And type here author name, and now change the game resolution. Its width will be 720 and height will be 1280, and change this one. And now click on apply. Click on add a new scene and rename this one. Level 1. And scroll down. And now add a new object. And click on spread. Change this object name, background, and click on add an animation, add. Friends, if you don't know how to make a space shooter game background, then click on I button and watch my previous video. Here click on loop and preview this. Increase some frames. Okay, now click on apply. And now drag this background on the screen. And click on add a layer and change the name of this layer, background, and move this one here. And now change its size, custom size, its width will be 7 and 20 and a height 12 and 80. Okay, and now click on add a new object, spread, and type here object's name. It will be player, and click on add animation. Click on add, friends. I've already made my game characters. If you don't know how to make a game character, then you can make a game character from here. Edit with P-Scale. Here you can make your player design, image design, bullet design, and everything you can make here. Friends, if you don't want to make a player design, then you can download from Assets Store. Okay, click here Asset Store, and here you can get lots of free assets for make a game. This is a free assets. You can download anything. If you want to download any of this asset, then click on any of these objects. Okay, and click on add to the game. And you can use it in free. Here you can see a space shooter is added. Okay, I'm gonna to delete this one. And now drag this player on the screen. And click on add a new object. Spread. And type here bullet, and click on add an animation. Add, then click on apply. And now go to events, add a new event, add a condition, other conditions, keyboard, key press. If left key will be pressed, then player will be moving left. Add action, player, add a force angle. Here angle will be 180 degree and speed 400. And now copy this one and paste, and change this one. If right button will be click, then player will be move in right. Change this one, it will be 0 degree. Okay, let's preview it. Yeah, here we go. Click on add action, other actions, keyboard, key press. If a space button will be pressed, then bullet will be fire. Air condition, other conditions, timers, and it will be 0.3. and type here timer's name, fire rate and click on OK. Now click on array action and type here create. Click on create an object, and object will be bullet, and bullet position will be player and X position, and here player Y position. Then click on OK. Array action, other action, type here fire rate. Okay. Now click on add a new event, add action, bullet, and add a force 220 and speed 400. Let's preview this. Yeah, here we go. It's working good. Here you can see bullet is firing from here. Now I have to change this bullet fire from the middle of this player. Okay. Go to label and edit this player object. Click on edit point, and here you can see move this point the middle of this player. Okay. Now click on close, apply. Let's preview this. Yeah, it's working good. Okay. Now let's create an enemies. Add a new object, spread, and type here object name, enemy, add an animation, and click on edit with p-scale. Now select the circle, change its pen size, change the color red, and now duplicate this frame. Make this enemy eyes. Okay. Here you can see enemy animation. Okay, click on save and click on loop and preview this one. Yeah, it's looking good. Then click on apply. Now go to events and now copy this one and paste here. Okay, and delete this one and change this. It will be enemy creation. And here also enemy creation. And its X position will be random and 750, and Y position will be -50. Okay, then click on OK. and copy this one and paste here and change this bullet. It will be enemy and its angle will be 90 degree. Now let's preview this. Yeah, here we go. It's looking good. Okay. And now click on add a new event, add condition, and when bullet is collision with enemy, click on OK, and then enemy will delete. Enemy and delete the object. Add action, bullet, and delete the object. Okay, and now delete this one. If you will delete this key, then bullet will be fire automatic. Okay, and change this one. 8 and here also 7. Now let's preview this. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. Bullet is creating automatic and bullet is killing the enemies. Okay, so that's all for today. I wish you like this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.